Have you ever regretted a financial decision that cost you more than you thought it would? It's easy to overlook how small financial mistakes can accumulate and create long-term consequences. But here's the thing, you don't have to make these mistakes yourself. Today, we're going to dive into the top 5 money regrets you should avoid early, so you can avoid costly financial pitfalls and set yourself up for financial success. Stick around, because these tips are going to change the way you think about money forever. 1. Not having an emergency fund and how to build one. No matter what career you have, no job is 100% secure, and emergencies tend to happen when we're least prepared for them. Unforeseen situations that eliminate your source of income can arise at any moment, from injuries to layoffs and everything in between. Without an emergency fund, these situations can become even more stressful. Imagine losing your job and not having enough savings to cover your bills for the next few months. It's a terrifying thought, but completely avoidable with proper planning. To avoid this financial regret, aim to save at least 6 months' worth of income in an easily accessible emergency fund. This can be done by setting small, manageable savings goals, such as saving a certain percentage of your income each month. By starting small, you can gradually build a cushion that will give you peace of mind in times of uncertainty. Not only will this reduce stress, but it will also help you avoid going into debt when unexpected costs arise. Make sure you keep your emergency fund in a safe place, such as a high-yield savings account or a short-term money market fund. The goal is to have easy access to your money when needed, without worrying about fluctuating investment values. Remember, your emergency fund should be separate from your long-term investments, as it serves a different purpose, to protect you in times of need. 2. Not setting up an automatic savings system. Saving money often feels like an uphill battle, and let's face it, it's easy to say you will save money, but actually doing it consistently can be difficult. Most people wait until the end of the month to save whatever is left after bills and expenses, but by then, it's often too little or nothing at all. So, how can you avoid this mistake? The answer lies in setting up an automatic savings system. This simple action ensures that you're prioritizing your savings before you spend on unnecessary things. By automating your savings, you ensure that the first thing that happens when you get paid is that money is set aside for your future. This prevents the temptation to spend it on things you don't need. You can set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment account so that a portion of your income is saved before you can even think about spending it. By following the pay-yourself-first approach, you make saving a priority rather than an afterthought. This also removes a decision-making process, making saving easier and more consistent. Additionally, automating your savings helps to build good habits over time. When saving becomes automatic, it's no longer something you have to think about or force yourself to do. Whether you're saving for retirement, an emergency fund, or a big purchase, the key is to make saving as easy and seamless as possible. Small, consistent contributions over time can lead to significant savings, setting you on the path to financial freedom. 3. Having low-quality health insurance. Health is wealth, and many people fail to realize that not having adequate health insurance can lead to financial ruin. While it may seem like an unnecessary expense, catastrophic health insurance is one of the most important investments you can make. If you're young and healthy, it might feel like you're invincible, but life can throw curveballs when you least expect them. The financial consequences of not having good health insurance can last far longer than the premiums you pay. Consider this. A sudden illness or injury could leave you facing thousands of dollars in medical bills without the proper coverage. Medical expenses are one of the leading causes of personal bankruptcies, and without good health insurance, these expenses can quickly spiral out of control. By investing in quality health insurance, you protect both your health and your finances. Having adequate coverage ensures that you can focus on recovery instead of financial stress. It's better to pay a little extra each month for good insurance than to gamble with your future and risk a massive financial setback. Your health is one of your most valuable assets, and protecting it ensures that you won't have to sacrifice your financial goals due to unforeseen health challenges. Keep in mind that medical costs can increase unexpectedly, so having comprehensive insurance coverage can save you from the stress and financial strain that comes with unexpected health emergencies. 4. Buying things to impress others. One of the most common financial regrets people have is buying things they don't need just to impress others. It's easy to get caught up in the idea that material possessions define success or happiness, but true wealth is not about what you show off to others, it's about what you grow. Many people waste money on expensive clothes, gadgets, or cars just to appear successful. But deep down, these purchases often don't bring true fulfillment. The reality is, impressing others often costs more than it's worth, both financially and emotionally. Instead of focusing on keeping up with the latest trends or trying to impress others, shift your mindset toward investing in things that bring you value in the long run. For example, investing in experiences like travel or learning a new skill can offer more lasting happiness and growth. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest people in the world, famously said, "If you buy things you don't need, soon you will have to sell things you do need." His point is clear. Spending money to impress others can lead to financial stress and missed opportunities for meaningful investments. True wealth is created when you focus on your long-term goals rather than fleeting appearances. Reframe your spending habits by asking yourself, does this purchase align with my financial goals? If the answer is no, consider putting the money towards savings or long-term investment instead. It's crucial to understand that true financial success comes from managing your money wisely, not from acquiring things that only serve to impress others for a short time. 5. Not getting an investing education early enough. The most important financial regret people often have is not starting to invest early enough. Far too many individuals avoid investing because they believe it's too complicated, or they assume they don't have enough money to get started. But the truth is, the earlier you start investing, the better your chances of building long-term wealth. Even small contributions early on can lead to huge returns thanks to the power of compounding. Even if you're close to retirement, it's never too late to start learning about investing. The key is to understand the basics of investing and start putting your money to work for you as soon as possible. By educating yourself on topics like value investing and stock market principles, you'll develop the skills needed to make informed decisions about where to put your money. The earlier you begin, the better the outcome, and you'll have more time for your money to grow and work for you. One of the biggest mistakes is waiting until later in life to get serious about investing. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to catch up. Compounding is a powerful tool, but you have to give it time to work. By starting early, you can take advantage of market growth, giving your money the chance to grow exponentially. Investing in your financial education today will pay off tomorrow, allowing you to make smarter decisions and take control of your financial future. There you have it, the top 5 money regrets you should avoid early. If you can avoid these common pitfalls, you'll be well on your way to building wealth and achieving your financial goals. Remember, the earlier you start, the better prepared you'll be for a secure and prosperous future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with someone who could benefit from these tips, and subscribe for more valuable financial advice. Keep working toward your financial freedom. Stay focused on your goals and take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.